Triple Kick Powerhouse. Jersey number 14, jersey number 23, jersey number 24, jersey number 22, and jersey number 27. First 5 from Team Bani. Jersey number 5, jersey number 8, jersey number 10, jersey number 2, and jersey number 20. Let's get ready to wrap up. This game is brought to you by Akron TV. Drum ball. Powerhouse ball. Paragas. Pass to Season. Balik kay Paragas. Season for 3. Play ball. Rebound by Aquino. Number 8. Aquino, pass to jersey number 5. Pass to number 2, Di Guzman, Binomba, yes sir. Pass to jersey number 2, Di Guzman. Number 23, Paragas. Out of balls. Powerhouse ball. Pass to jersey number 14, Season, block shot. Block shot by jersey number 2, Di Guzman. Pass to jersey number 24, Season. Season guarded by jersey number 20. 14, jersey Binomba. Out of balls. Team Bani ball. Number 20, dribbling the ball, pinasa kay jersey number 5, jersey number 5, with jersey number 10, napitawan, hollow balls, Bukid's ball. Number 14, guarded by jersey number 10, pinasa kay Paragas, Paragas for play, Paragas, block shot, Paragas, nakuha ni jersey number 8, Aquino. Aquino, nagmamadali. Aquino, pinasa. Out of balls, Bukid's ball. Number 24, Season. Di Vizcarte. Pass to Rosario. Rosario. Still alive by Di Guzman. Di Guzman, jersey number 5. Out of balls, Bukid's ball. Number 23, Paragas to Rosario. Rosario to Season. Season for 3. Negative. Rebound by jersey number 40 to Paragas. Paragas for 3. Red ball. Number 20, Aquino. Di Guzman to Aquino. Aquino, Binomba. Yes sir, pass it to jersey number 8, Aquino. Number 14, guarded by Aquino. Paragas to jersey number 23. Paragas for 3, takbong mayaman, Paragas. Number 20, Aquino. Sumagasa. Nugget, rebound pa rin kay Aquino. Number 5, Binomba. 10 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 5. Nugget, rebound by jersey number 20. Nugget, rebound by jersey number 14. Paragas. Paragas. Nagmamadali. Pass to Paragas 23. Nugget, rebound by jersey number 22. Nakakuha pa ng foul. Foul by number 10. That's your first personal foul. First team foul. Official score 4 down to 5 in favor of Powerhouse. Nugget, rebound by Di Guzman. Di Guzman, pinasa kay jersey number 5. Pass to jersey number 20 for 3. Yes sir! Takbong mayaman, Aquino. Season. Change paper to Bani. Negative. Iba na naman kay number 5. Pass to jersey number 8. Aquino. Aquino go to. Yes, sir. Basket count to jersey number 8. Aquino. Still by jersey number 20. Aquino. Aquino nagpapadali. Nakakuha pa ng foul. Foul by number 23. Parregas. Time out. Booking Powerhouse. And this game is brought to you by Akon TV. Aquino to jersey number 5. Number 5. Out of bounds.
10-5 mga para. Lamang
10
ang
seconds
bani.
to shoot.
Lamang ang bani.
Pass to Aquino. Aquino for 3. Bang! Takbong na naman Aquino. 13 down to 5. Paragas. To Paragas. Paragas 23. Sumagasa. Yes, sir. Basket count to jersey number 23. Jersey number 21. Running for the lane in the game. Number 5. Pass to jersey number 8. Aquino. Balik na naman kay jersey number 20. Jersey number 5. Sasagasa. Bang! Basket count to jersey number 5. Nakasama pang foul. Foul by number 27. That's your first personal foul. First team foul. Bonus speed shot to Panoncio. Nagel. Rebound by Casilian. Casilian pass to Cesar. Cesar to Paragas. Paragas. Pass to Paragas. Bang! Passes down. Nakasama pang foul. Foul by number 5, Panoncio. 15 down to 8 in favor of Team Bani. Basket shot. Official score 15 down to 10 in favor of Team Bani. Aquino to Panoncio. Traveling violation. Cha-cha-cha, Panoncio. Number 23, Paragas. Pass to Cesar. Cesar guarded by Aquino. Cesar. Nakawala. Cesar for 2. Yes, sir. That's the count to jersey number 24, Cesar. Jersey number 20 naman na may hawak ng bola. Aquino. Pass to Di Guzman. Di Guzman, hinahanap ang kasama. Back to Aquino. Aquino. 3 seconds violation. Official score 15 down to 12 in favor of Team Bani. Paragas, guarded by Aquino. To Cesar. Cesar. Cesar for 3. No good. Rebound by Casilian. Cesar. Block shot. Rebound. Nakuha na naman ni Di Guzman. Di Guzman. Dribble mo. Sasagasa. Di Guzman. Nakakuha pa ng foul. Foul by number 23, Paragas. That's your second personal foul. 17 foul. 79. Not counted. Bonus speed shot to jersey number 2, Di Guzman. Pass it count to jersey number 2. 16 down to 12. Paragas, kaya po Panoncio. Paragas. Yes, sir. Pass it count to jersey number 14. Paragas. 2 points lead by Team Bani. Panoncio. Pass to Di Guzman. Di Guzman. Pass it down to jersey number 2, De Guzman. Number 14. Paragas to Casilian, Pinomba, no good. Rosario, yes sir. Pass it down to jersey number 27. Number 5, Panoncio to Aquino. Aquino, pass to De Guzman. To jersey number 10, Pamintuan. Nakakuha pa ng foul. Foul by number 24. Sablet. Jersey number 23 out. Paragas in, Tempera in. Number 24, Season out. Sable. Time remaining 1 minute and 37 seconds to end the first period. De Guzman. No good. Out of bounds. The good ball. Paragas. Ball by Panoncio. Paragas nakawala. Kutsul. Nakakuha pa ng foul. Foul by number 20, Aquino. That's your first personal foul. Bonus Peter Shadow jersey number 13. Nugget. Official score 18 down to 16. 2 points lead by Team Bani. Nugget. Out of bounds. Team Bani ball. Number 20, Aquino. Pass to Panoncio. Guarded by Paragas. Balik na naman kay Aquino. To number 10, Pamintuan. Pamintuan! Nugget. Stepping the line. The Kings ball. 58 seconds to end the first period. Paragas. Nugget. Rebound by Aquino. Steal by Rosario. Rosario. Nakakuha pa ng foul. Foul by number 5, Panoncio. That's your second personal foul. Official score 18 down to 16. 36 seconds. Nugget. Rebound na naman. Nakuha kay Rosario. Rosario. Libre. Block shot by Aquino. Time remaining 31 seconds to end the first period. 18 down to 16. Paragas still by De Guzman. Nakakuha pa ng foul. Foul by number 27, Rosario. That's your second personal foul. 29 seconds to end the first period. Sabret. 27, Rosario out. Number 5, Paragas in. Panoncio. Panoncio, leading the ball. Out of bounds. Pamintuan. Negative. 21 seconds to end the first period. Paragas. Yes, sir. Pass it down to jersey number 1. Dupera. 10 seconds. Third lag, 18. De Guzman, Pinomba. De Guzman for 2. Negative. 2 seconds. And that is the end of this first period. Official score, third lag, 18. And this team. Jersey number 6. Block shot. Jersey number 12, pass to jersey number 1. Negative. Rebound by Tibera. Rivera. Paso Paragas. Paragas, block shot. Nakakuha pa ng foul. Foul by number 04. Number 4. That's a first personal foul. First team foul. Rivera. Rebound by jersey number 1. Jersey number 1. Aquino. Sasagasa. Aquino. Pinasa. Nabitawan. Nakuha ni Rivera ang bola. Nakuha ni Aquino. Jersey number 6. Nugget. Rebound. Nakuha pa ng foul. Foul by number 1. Pushing foul. That's your first personal foul.
Shout out
Official
pareho.
score. Bedlock 18. Paragas. Brother by jersey number 19. Season for 3.
Shout out parehong TV.
Nugget. Rebound by Paragas. Paragas. Rebound by Aquino. Nakakuha pa ng foul. Foul by jersey number 7. Rivera. That's your first personal foul. Number 12, Aquino. Aquino, sasakasa, Aquino. Nugget, rebound by Season. Season, nagmamadali, hawak ang bola. Season, pinasa kay jersey number 1, Rivera. Rivera to Paragas. Paragas. Nugget, rebound by Aquino. Aquino, nagmamadali, Aquino. Nugget, Rosario. Masisimpit Rosario. Season. Nakakuha pa ng foul. Foul by number 4, Misa. That's your second personal foul. To bonus speed shot jersey number 24, Season. Nugget. Another bonus speed shot jersey number 24. Technical. Jersey number 19. Wearing of earrings. Pass it down to jersey number 24. Official score 20 down to 19. 120 by Team Bani. Rosario, hawak ang bola. Rosario, dribble the ball, covered by Rivera. Rosario number 6. Rosario. Nugget. Another bonus speed shot to jersey number 6, Rosario. Pass it down. No count. Not counted. 1.8 by Team Bali. Number 7, Rivera. Rivera. Nakuha na naman, pinasa kay jersey number 12, Aquino. Yes, sir! Asan ito naman, jersey number 12, Aquino. Number 24, Season. Season for 3. Rebound. Rebound by Aquino. Pass to jersey number 12, Aquino. Bang! Foul by number 24. Season. That's your second personal foul. Bouquet Powerhouse. And this game is brought to you by SP. Bonus speed shot to jersey number 12, Aquino. Number 14, Barragas. Pass to jersey number 23, Barragas. Rebound naman, Negod. Single. Rivera. Balik kay Rivera ang bola. Salonga, hawak ang bola. Rosario Brazil. Yes, sir. Passing down to jersey number 27, Rosario. 24 down to 21. Number 1, Aquino. Pass to jersey number 19. Jersey number 19. Pass to Rosario. Rosario Brazil. Miguel. Number 23, Barragas. Pass to Salonga. Salonga. Pinova. Salonga. Rosario. Turn shot. Yes, sir. 1 point lead by Team Bani. 24 down to 23. Aquino. Aquino. Miguel. Rebound by Rosario. Rosario. Out of bounds. Bani ball. Official score 24 down to 23. Number 6 Rosario dribbling the ball. Number Barragas. 8 seconds violation. Ang galing mo, Rosario. This game is brought to you by Maylin Talibaba. Still by Rosario. Rosario. Nugget follow up. Nugget rebound by jersey number 1 Aquino. Aquino. Pass to jersey number 12. Aquino napapadali. Ayan na naman Aquino. Bang! Pass it down to jersey number 12. 26 down to 23. Barragas. Yes, sir. Sumabay ka pa. Number 12. Aquino. Gala de Barragas. Paso Aquino. Aquino for 3. Rebound. Rebound by Aquino. Jersey number 4. Lisa. Napinawa na naman. Rosario. Yes, sir. Ang galing mo, Rosario. Alabas. Panibo. Official score 28 down to 25.
Pamangagalo din.
In favor of Team Pani.
Mababa.
Targeting 3 minutes and 8 seconds. Aquino. Aquino nakawala. Aquino. Bang! Foul by number 4. 27, rather. That's the first personal foul. Sabrat. Number 23 out. Number 18 Pusadas in. $1 speed shot to jersey number 12 Aquino. Pass it down to jersey number 12 Aquino. Official score 31 down to 25. In favor of Team Bani. Rivera to Salonga. Salonga. Pass to jersey number 18. Negro. Rebound na naman ni jersey number 4. Jersey number 4 para sa Rosario. Rosario. Nagmamadali. Hawak ang bola. Rosario po si Negro. Rebound by number 18 Pusadas. Napitawan. Team Bani po. Ang galing mo, Rosario. Time remaining 2 minutes and 21 seconds to end the second period. Aquino. Offensive foul. Jersey number 4, offensive foul. That's your third personal foul.
Paano?
Official score 31 down to 25 in favor of Kim Panin.
Balintog mo.
De Pera to Paragas. Gano po Aquino. Paragas. Pinasa kay Salonga. Salonga to Pusalas. Neged. Out of bounds. Kim Panin po. Sabit. Jersey number 6, Rosario out. 20, Aquino in. Number 20, Aquino. Pinasa kay Jersey number 1. Number 19, Aquino. Negative. Out of bounds. Bukig's ball. Time remaining 1 minute and 56 seconds to end this period. Number 14, Paragas. Paragas turnaround shot. Negative. Rebound by jersey number 12. Pass to number 20. Number 20. Negative. Same ball. Number 12.
Salo. Tapos nuggets. Bigara nuggets. 20 sample. Chag sample.
Akira to number 4. Number 4. Misa. Misa asasa-asa. Misa. Block shot. Piso mula sa puso. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 19 for 3. Number 19 for 2. Nakakuha pa ng foul. Foul by number 47. That's your second personal foul.
Natimawag ako lang mo.
Time remaining 1 minute and 21 seconds. Pass it down to jersey number 19. Out of bounds, Bukis ball. Official score 32 down to 25 in favor of Team Panin. Number 14, Paragas. Gano pa number 19. Pinasa kay Tibera. Tibera for 3. Negative. Rebound by Aquino. Pass to jersey number 12. Aquino nakamatay. Aquino. Gano by 2. Aquino. Pass. Traveling violation. Sabrat. Foul by number 19. That's the first personal foul. Paragas. Yes, sir. That's it count to jersey number 14, Paragas. Time remaining 43 seconds to end. Back to back, easy boys to Rivera. 40 seconds. Pass it count to jersey number 47. 30 seconds. Aquino, sasagasa, Aquino, nakakuha pa ng foul. 32 down to 31, 1 point lead by Team Panin. Foul by jersey number 24. That's a third personal foul. 1 point lead by Team Panin. Sabrat. 26 seconds to end this period. Pass it down to jersey number 20, 12. Move. Rebound by jersey number 20, Paragas. Pass it to Rivera. 18 seconds to end this period. Aquino. Pass to jersey number 12. Jersey number 12, Aquino. Paragas. Time to shoot. Out of bounds. 6 seconds to end this period. And now he's the full spirit. Official score 33 down to 31 in favor of your team, Team Bani.